Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm. The Chinese AI startup DeepSeek came in as a small wave and left off like a tsunami, leaving behind big giants like Meta and Nvidia torn and tattered in the aftermath. Tech stocks plummeted into deep gorges, raising fears among tech executives and big conglomerates alike. The small Chinese artificial intelligence startup DeepSeek caused upheaval in the stock market, especially the ones related to tech. The advent of DeepSeek has opened the Pandora's box into oblivious theory of artificial intelligence analysts who believe that in order to create a competitive AI model, one has to spend a huge amount of money. One of the major reasons why DeepSeek has become such a phenomenon is because a couple of its models have been created successfully with far less money than the mainstream, much popular AIs such as the ChatGPT and Meta. Now, what is DeepSeek? China's AI industry had initially been considered second-rate, but the tables were turned into the arrival of DeepSeek, an obscure Chinese hedge fund turned AI startup which blew analysts away with its latest model R1. The much talked about startup DeepSeek is founded and owned by Chinese stock trading firm Highflyer, whose goal was to build AI technologies equivalent to OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google chatbot Gemini. In 2021, DeepSeek acquired a large amount of computer chips from the US chipmaker Nvidia. The journey of DeepSeek. It started in 2017 when China's AI was defeated by AlphaGo, an artificial intelligence program backed by Google in a complex board game of Go. The loss to a foreign computer program which had earlier defeated a South Korean player too. This event pushed China in its resolve to carry out a bold plan to lead the world in AI by 2030. Chinese officials pledged billions of dollars to companies and researchers to create a unique technology which then resulted in the birth of DeepSeek, the largely unknown Chinese startup that gave the technology landscape a new advanced outlook. Over the past few years, DeepSeek has released several language models which are based on technologies which underpin chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini. But why did the market reaction come just a few weeks ago? DeepSeek could have garnered attention just around Christmas when it released its V3 model, which had similar capabilities of the chatbots invented by US companies like OpenAI and Google. But it created headlines when the team behind the chatbot revealed a bigger step forward. In a research paper explaining how it built the technology, DeepSeek revealed that it only used a fraction of the computer chips that leading AI companies relied on to train their systems. DeepSeek only used 2,000 Nvidia chips to train their chatbot, whereas the mainstream companies use supercomputers that use around 16,000 chips or more, thus causing waves over the world for creating a powerful AI model with far less money than AI experts thought was possible. But how did DeepSeek create a model which uses far less chips? Top AI analysts said that China has been able to create the model using nothing but just by being smarter in the way they analyze data using those fewer chips. Leading AI systems learn their skills by pinpointing patterns in a huge amounts of data, including texts, images, and sounds. DeepSeek described a way of spreading this data analysis across several specialized AI models, what researchers called a mixture of experts method, while minimizing the time lost by moving data from place to place. It wasn't the first time that such a method was applied, but moving information between the models tended to reduce efficiency. DeepSeek found a way to do it in a manner which allowed it to use less computing power. Analysts stressed on the fact that DeepSeek used methods which can be duplicated by anyone. However, the cost of building an AI model that can stand toe-to-toe with best has plummeted. Within days, DeepSeek's chatbot was the most downloaded app on the iPhone. The contrast with America's approach could not be starker. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has spent years telling investors and America's new president that vast sums of money and computing power are needed to stay at the forefront of AI. Investors have accordingly been betting that a handful of firms stand to reap vast monopoly-like rents. Yet, if fast followers such as DeepSeek can eat away at the lead for a fraction of the cost, then those profits are at risk. What can DeepSeek do? DeepSeek V3 can answer questions, solve logical problems, and write its own computer programs as effectively similar to the technologies already on the market. According to standard benchmark tests, before DeepSeek, OpenAI released a version called OpenAI 03, which is more powerful than DeepSeek V3. But OpenAI has not released the system to the wider public. Initially, OpenAI 03 was designed to reason via problems of maths, science, and computer programming. Many experts pointed out that DeepSeek was not built along the same lines, which was the plausible next step in the advent of AI. But then on January 20th, DeepSeek released its reasoning model called the DeepSeek R1, which swooned the experts, and eventually creating panic among US investors as they grasped the importance of DeepSeek's new fiat. US decision to limit supply of chips to China. To maintain lead in the global AI race, the Biden administration had put in place rules limiting the number of powerful chips that can be sold to China and other competitors. However, DeepSeek found a way around. Overcoming these challenges, it got creative and made use of a wide range of tools that are freely available on the internet. Some experts feel that the argument around US blocking major chips is moot and claim that the US trade restrictions were imposed much later and will eventually affect China's ability to create AI in the coming years. So will China now lead the AI game? No, it certainly cannot. Right now, because the OpenAI 03 model and its performance on standard benchmark tests was more impressive than any other model present in the market. However, it should also be considered that China is jumping ahead on open source AI systems. The impact on NVIDIA. When DeepSeek first made headlines with its AI model on January 27, it created a hole worth $600 billion in the market value of semiconductor chips giant NVIDIA. Some labeled it as the biggest loss in the history of America's stock market. DeepSeek's impact was so huge that Microsoft, Meta, Elon Musk's X, and a joint venture known as Stargate that includes OpenAI, maker of ChatGPT, have all announced blockbuster plans in recent weeks to build data centers stuffed with GPUs. But the biggest learning of this fall was that to train and run models, it would be possible to spend less on processing power. That would be bad news for NVIDIA. To make matters worse, competition from rival chip makers has also been tough because the market hates just a single source of supply. NVIDIA's GPUs are almost indispensable for the training of large language models. In inference, the querying of those models, it still has a lead, but plenty more rivals. Startups such as Grok are designing chips specialized for ultra-fast inference. NVIDIA's biggest customers, the cloud giants Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, are also making custom chips to reduce reliance on its GPUs. Despite all the buzz around various AI models, it has to be understood that investment into AI chips is based on hype that it will be beneficial in the future, but not on hard evidence. The silver lining in all of the frenzy is that investors who are rushing to AI investments will be temporarily doubled down. What is open source AI? DeepSeek has open sourced its latest AI system, which means that it has shared the underlying computer code with other businesses and researchers. This allows others to build and distribute their products using the same tech. This has been one of the reasons why DeepSeek and others in China have been able to build a competitive AI system so quickly and inexpensively. Many experts have warned against open sourcing technologies because it could further result in spreading misinformation or cause other kinds of harm. US lawmakers have also pondered on ways to prevent the practice. They argue that if the best open source technologies originate from China, US researchers and companies may end up building their systems on that foundation. In the long run, this could position China at the center of global AI research and development. accelerating its efforts to create a broad range of AI technologies, including autonomous weapons and other military systems. The rise of DeepSeek has sent shockwaves across the global AI landscape, proving that innovation isn't just a matter of massive resources, it's also about ingenuity and smart execution. While it may not dethrone AI giants like OpenAI and Google just yet, DeepSeek's achievements have challenged long held assumptions about what it takes to succeed in the AI race. As the world navigates this new chapter, one thing is clear. DeepSeek's disruptive approach has opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, making AI development more accessible and decentralized. Whether this ushers in a new era of collaboration and competition between global tech powers remains to be seen. What's certain is that the AI race just got a lot more interesting and unpredictable. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Rhythm. What do you think about the ongoing AI battle in the world? Let us know in the comments.